Hi, I'm Manny Espinal, FDOT Construction Project Manager for the State Road 826 Palmetto Expressway Capacity Project, which extends southbound from north of Northwest 154th Street to south of Northwest 36th Street. Construction began in April of this year and is expected to be completed by summer of 2024. The estimated cost of this project is $66 million. The scope includes modifying the flyover from westbound Northwest 103rd Street, also known as West 49th Street, to southbound Palmetto Expressway, widening the southbound Palmetto Bridge over Northwest 103rd Street to create an additional non-tolled lane, and relocating the southbound express lane entrance from Northwest 154th Street to Northwest 103rd Street. Currently, the crews are testing the soil, surveying the area, and conducting drainage work on the frontage road west of the Palmetto Expressway. Under the flyover, the inside left turn lane on the exit ramp from southbound Palmetto Expressway to Northwest 103rd Street is temporarily closed for the bridge work. Drivers are still able to turn left using the outside left turn lane or the through lane. Tolling was suspended on all southbound and northbound Palmetto Express lanes in April of this year. They will remain suspended throughout the project timeline.